Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make calls with Viber. Now you've opened up the Viber app. Next thing you want to make a call. So what do? Click on the calls icon at the bottom. You see the list of people in your contact list you can call, and then you call them. Now if the person doesn't have Viber, when you press call, you'll be asked to invite the person to Viber. Use the first option here. Call using Viber out, which is low rates, flexible pricing, or use see the person's contact info. So let's say I want to call using Viber out. Then you can see to give her an additional option. But to give the option, because person doesn't have Viber, I have to make this call by getting a plan. Now you have different plans, but this is the first one, which is for 3,480 naira. If you want to buy, you can click buy. Now then you can see more plans by clicking on see more plans, and you can see more plans here and choose the one you want. It's as simple as that. And if you have a coupon, you can simply enter the coupon here and click continue. If you want to scan your coupon, you click on scan QR, then click on continue. So this is how to redeem your coupon. Just put in the coupon code, click on continue, or scan it and click on continue and follow the on-screen instruction. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. That is for if you're making calls for those that do not have Viber. If they have Viber, this is what happens. Let me show you. Now I'm going to use a particular number. Let's say I want to call someone that already has Viber. Let's see, who can I call? Let's try this one. Anyone that has Viber, you see free Viber call right underneath. Just want to call this number. So you can see free call, then you tap on free call. You can make free. This person doesn't have Viber. Would you like to invite the person? Click on invite. So you can make free calls, you can make free video calls also. You can send messages. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.